What if everything you've ever known about reality was just an illusion? Imagine waking up one day to discover that the world around you isn't what it seems. The solid objects you touch, the choices you make, even your thoughts, all might be governed by rules far stranger than you ever imagined. We're about to explore the foundations of reality itself. You'll encounter a universe where the tiniest particles behave in ways that defy common sense, potentially influencing the very fabric of our existence. As we journey deeper into these concepts, we'll uncover how quantum mechanics offers a new perspective on the nature of reality. But this is just the beginning. The true revelations await as we delve further into our exploration. The enigma of consciousness. What if the strange and mysterious quantum realm shapes your thoughts? This question opens up a fascinating frontier in our understanding of consciousness. For centuries, scientists have grappled with the challenge of explaining consciousness. How does the physical matter of our brains give rise to our subjective experiences? Despite remarkable advances in neuroscience, we still need a complete understanding of how our minds work. Current neuroscience can map brain activity and identify regions associated with different functions, but more is needed to explain the nature of conscious experience itself. We can see which parts of the brain activate when we feel pain or experience joy, but we can't fully explain why we have these subjective experiences at all. The complexity of human consciousness becomes apparent when we consider the richness of our inner worlds. Imagine savoring a delicious meal, experiencing flavors, textures, and aromas while recalling memories and planning future meals. This multifaceted experience showcases the intricate nature of consciousness. As traditional neuroscience struggles to account for consciousness fully, some researchers are turning to the bizarre world of quantum mechanics for potential answers. Could the key to understanding our minds lie in the same principles governing subatomic particle behavior? This is where the concept of quantum consciousness enters the picture. Proponents suggest that quantum processes occurring within our brains might be responsible for generating our conscious experiences. While this idea is still highly speculative, it opens up exciting new avenues for research and pushes us to think about consciousness in radically different ways. To understand how quantum mechanics might affect our minds, we first need to grasp the basics of this strange and counterintuitive branch of physics. Let's explore a world where particles can be in two places at once, and reality itself seems to depend on whether we're looking at it or not. Quantum mechanics, a primer. While quantum mechanics reveals a universe far stranger than our everyday experiences suggest, its core principles have been explored in earlier sections. Building on those foundations, let's examine how quantum effects extend beyond the subatomic realm and into our macroscopic world. Quantum mechanics isn't confined to theoretical musings or laboratory experiments. Its principles have real-world applications and implications that continue to surprise researchers. For instance, the uncertainty principle, formulated by Werner Heisenberg, states that we can't precisely know a particle's position and momentum simultaneously. The more accurately we measure one property, the less certain we become about the other. These quantum effects aren't limited to the realm of subatomic particles. Surprisingly, they've been observed in biological systems too. Recent research has shown that quantum coherence plays a role in photosynthesis, the process plants use to convert sunlight into energy. This discovery suggests that nature may harness quantum effects in ways we're only beginning to understand. As we peer deeper into the quantum world, we find more phenomena challenging our classical intuitions. Quantum entanglement allows particles to be instantaneously connected across vast distances, seemingly defying the speed of light. As Einstein called it, this spooky action at a distance has been experimentally verified and forms the basis for emerging technologies like quantum computing. The implications of quantum mechanics extend far beyond physics, potentially reshaping our understanding of consciousness itself. Could the quantum behavior of particles in our brains be responsible for our subjective experiences? This intriguing possibility brings us to the controversial theory of quantum consciousness, where the worlds of physics and neuroscience collide in unexpected ways. From the microscopic dance of subatomic particles to the complex processes in living organisms, quantum mechanics continues to reveal a universe that defies our classical expectations. As we uncover more about how quantum effects manifest in larger systems, we must reconsider our understanding of reality. The quantum world is not just a realm of abstract theory, but a fundamental aspect of the world we inhabit every day. The Penrose-Hameroff theory. Imagine your brain as a biological quantum computer processing information in ways that challenge our understanding of physics. This intriguing concept forms the basis of the orchestrated objective reduction, OR theory, proposed by mathematician Roger Penrose and consciousness researcher Stuart Hameroff. Their controversial idea suggests that consciousness emerges from quantum processes within tiny structures in our brain cells. The OR theory centers on microtubules, tubular structures found in all eukaryotic cells. While these microscopic marvels play crucial roles in cell maintenance and division, Penrose and Hameroff propose they might also be the quantum orchestrators of our conscious experiences. According to their theory, microtubules can achieve and maintain quantum coherence, allowing for complex quantum computations that could give rise to our subjective experiences. However, the theory faces significant challenges from critics. Physicist Max Tegmark argues that the warm, wet environment of the brain is too chaotic for quantum coherence to persist long enough to impact our conscious thoughts. Despite these criticisms, research into quantum consciousness continues, with scientists exploring how quantum particles behave in complex structures like those found in the brain. Recent experiments in quantum biology offer tantalizing hints that quantum effects might play a role in living systems after all. From quantum coherence observed in photosynthesis to potential quantum sensing abilities in bird migration, nature seems to harness quantum phenomena in surprising ways. While the debate on whether our brains are quantum computers continues, the Penrose-Hameroff theory has sparked a fascinating exploration of the intersection of neuroscience and quantum physics. As we unravel this mystery, we're left to wonder, what other surprises might the quantum world hold for our understanding of the mind and reality itself? The quest for quantum biology. Quantum biology reveals nature's most astonishing tricks, showing how the bizarre rules of the quantum world might influence biological processes. Scientists are discovering that life itself might harness quantum effects in ways we're only beginning to understand. One intriguing example is the possibility that birds use quantum mechanics to navigate during their long migrations. Research suggests that birds may employ quantum entanglement to sense Earth's magnetic field through a process known as the radical pair mechanism. This occurs in their eyes, allowing birds to see magnetic field lines, guiding them across continents with remarkable precision. Photosynthesis provides another striking example of quantum biology in action. Plants have evolved to convert sunlight into chemical energy with astounding efficiency, and quantum mechanics might explain why. Studies have revealed that plants utilize quantum coherence to optimize energy transfer during photosynthesis, allowing them to explore multiple energy pathways simultaneously and choose the most efficient route to harness light. These discoveries are pushing scientists to reconsider the role of quantum effects in other biological processes, including the functioning of our brains. If plants can use quantum coherence in photosynthesis, could similar mechanisms be at work in our neurons? The implications for our understanding of consciousness are profound and compelling. Recent experiments have challenged the notion that quantum effects are limited to ultra-cold environments. Researchers have observed quantum behavior in artificial structures that mimic the complexity of biological systems, even at room temperature. These findings suggest that the human brain, with its intricate network of neurons, could support quantum processes. As we uncover more evidence of quantum effects in nature, we're forced to confront fundamental questions about the nature of reality and consciousness. Could our minds tap into quantum phenomena in ways we haven't yet imagined? The quest to understand quantum biology opens up new frontiers in science, blurs the lines between physics and biology, and challenges our conception of life itself. Philosophical implications. As we delve deeper into the intersection of neuroscience and quantum mechanics, we confront a profound question. Are we truly the authors of our own thoughts and actions? The answer may lie in the probabilistic nature of quantum physics, challenging our fundamental understanding of human consciousness. Building on our earlier exploration of the hard problem of consciousness, we now venture into new philosophical territory. The subatomic level's quantum uncertainty introduces an indeterminacy element that could be key to understanding free will. Consider your brain a quantum system where decisions emerge from a sea of probabilities. In this view, your choices are only somewhat predictable, even with complete knowledge of your brain's structure and past experiences. This quantum indeterminacy might provide a space for genuine free will to exist. But what are the implications for our sense of self and reality? If quantum processes influence our decisions, are we still controlling our actions? Or are we merely observers of a quantum lottery unfolding in our brains? David Chalmers' concept of naturalistic dualism offers an intriguing perspective. He suggests that consciousness might be a fundamental property of the universe, akin to mass or charge. This view proposes that while consciousness is closely linked to physical processes, it can't be fully reduced to them. The quantum consciousness theory extends beyond philosophy, challenging our understanding of personal responsibility, ethics, and the nature of reality itself. If quantum processes influence our decisions, how does this affect our legal and moral systems, which often rely on the idea of personal accountability? Scientists are devising experiments that could illuminate these theories. One promising avenue involves studying quantum fractals in laboratory settings, aiming to recreate conditions that might support quantum processes in the brain. These experiments could validate or refute models like the Penrose-Hameroff orchestrated objective reduction. As we push the boundaries of both neuroscience and physics, we're forced to reconsider fundamental aspects of our existence. What new technologies might allow us to peer deeper into the quantum workings of the brain? How might our understanding of consciousness evolve as we unravel these mysteries? The answers could transform our view of ourselves and the universe in ways we can scarcely imagine. The future of consciousness research. As we stand on the brink of potential breakthroughs, the future of consciousness research looks more promising than ever. Recent technological advancements are opening up new frontiers in our quest to understand the mind, allowing us to observe the quantum dance of thoughts in real time. Researchers are developing cutting-edge tools that could revolutionize our understanding of the brain. These include brain scans capable of detecting quantum states in individual neurons and sensors precise enough to measure fleeting quantum coherence in microtubules. Experts predict that within the next decade, we might have the means to test quantum consciousness theories directly. The implications of these developments are profound. If we can confirm that quantum effects play a role in consciousness, it could transform our understanding of the mind-body connection, free will, and the nature of reality. We might discover that our thoughts are influenced by the strange, probabilistic world of quantum mechanics in ways we never imagined. Ongoing projects are already pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Scientists are investigating how quantum particles move through complex structures like those in the brain. This research could provide crucial evidence for or against existing quantum consciousness theories. The convergence of neuroscience, quantum physics, and advanced technology is creating unprecedented opportunities for exploration. While we may not have all the answers yet, one thing is certain. The coming years promise to be an exciting time for anyone fascinated by the mysteries of consciousness. As new tools and techniques emerge, we edge closer to unraveling the enigma of our own minds, potentially reshaping our understanding of what it means to be conscious. Bridging science and experience. As our understanding of consciousness evolves, we face the challenge of bridging complex scientific theories with our everyday experiences. Recent advancements in quantum consciousness research offer intriguing possibilities for transforming various aspects of our lives. Consider how this new knowledge could revolutionize education and mental health treatments. Professor Xianmin Jin's groundbreaking work on quantum particles in brain-like structures provides a potential pathway to validate quantum consciousness theories. These findings could lead to innovative approaches in cognitive enhancement and mental well-being, opening doors to previously unimaginable therapeutic techniques. The implications extend far beyond medicine, potentially reshaping our understanding of decision-making, creativity, and the nature of reality itself. Imagine educational systems that tap into quantum processes to enhance learning or technologies that interface directly with the quantum aspects of our minds. These advancements could usher in a new era of human-machine interaction and cognitive capabilities. While the scientific community continues to explore these frontiers, we must also grapple with the profound philosophical and ethical questions that arise. How might our sense of identity and free will change if we discover that quantum processes influence our thoughts? What are the ethical considerations for manipulating consciousness at its most fundamental level? As we unravel the mysteries of quantum consciousness, we may find ourselves stepping into a reality far more extraordinary than we ever imagined. This journey promises to expand our scientific knowledge and redefine our understanding of human experience and our place in the universe. The quantum nature of consciousness could be the key to unlocking the full potential of the human mind, offering new perspectives on what it means to be conscious in this vast, interconnected cosmos. As we conclude our journey through the quantum realms of consciousness, we find ourselves at a fascinating crossroads. The convergence of quantum physics and neuroscience has revealed a far more complex and interconnected reality than we ever imagined. Our exploration of quantum consciousness theories challenges our fundamental understanding of consciousness, suggesting that quantum processes may shape our thoughts and experiences. This more profound understanding of the quantum nature of consciousness opens up new perspectives on our place in the universe. It invites us to reconsider the very fabric of reality and our role within it. As we reflect on the insights gained from this quantum journey, we're left with a profound sense of wonder about the intricate connections between our minds and the cosmos. The quantum leap in our comprehension of consciousness may be the key to unlocking a more holistic view of existence.